Welcome to the AI Playground Day, everybody. And to start off, we're just going to have some fun asking ChatGPT to write some code for us. Okay, so we can't play video games inside ChatGPT, but we're going to try and trick ChatGPT into giving us some JavaScript code that we can then add to another program called p5.js. This is an integrated developing environment where you can add JavaScript and play with it. So this doesn't always work, but it's a fun thing to try and do and just to play around. And I'm going to challenge you to write a few games and to modify those games. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to model it for you, and let's see if I can get it to work. And then I'm going to challenge you to do it yourself. So here we go. I'm going to say the following command to ChatGPT. I'm going to say, please write a code in p5.js that commands that allows a user to shoot a ball into a hoop, and when they make it into the hoop, they receive a score of +1. Okay. They shoot the ball using the space bar and move the ball using the arrow keys. Please make the game full screen. Okay. So it's generating the code. And I want you to notice as it generates the code, we're getting these regions here that are grayed out. And that's great. Those are comments. And that is ChatGPT showing you how the code is written. So this is moving the ball. So we know that the left arrow is involved in moving the ball, and the right arrow is involved in moving the ball. It looks like the key 32 here is the space bar. We're learning that. That's to shoot the ball. It's showing us the text size, all different kinds of stuff that you can do then to edit the game. All right, so it wrote the whole code here and it gave me instructions. Sometimes it doesn't finish the code. You can ask it to finish the code, or you can just try something new. All right, so I'm going to go through and I'm going to copy this. So this is a video game that I created simply by typing instructions. I'm going to go over here to to p5.js. I'm going to hit editor. I'm going to remove this code, and I'm going to paste in the code I just wrote. Then I'm going to hit play, and there it is. Okay, so we have this thing here. Okay, so now in order to play these games, you need to hover your mouse over this and click. Okay. I'm going to so it looks like I got to keep pressing on it a little bit. Oh, and I got a score of 1. Oh, I got a score of 2. That's really cool. But the problem is that the ball falls out of the screen. So I'm going to ask it to edit it a little bit. I'm going to say, the ball that I'm shooting seems to fall out of view. Can you keep it in view so I can keep playing? Sure. So it's going to add a constraint. Let's see if that worked. So now I'm going to copy it. Oh, that just gave me that piece. So please provide the entire new code with the constraint added. Great. Great. So now I'm going to copy this code, add it, and I'm going to replay it. So now you see the ball is in view. Great. So now what I'm going to do is I need to have my mouse here, and I need to click on the screen. So now, oh, this is fun. Oh, score 1. I can move it around using the arrow keys. Oh, this is great. Okay, so I'm going to challenge you to do something like this, and I want you to do it and then go through and make some modifications here. So it's great to go back into ChatGPT because we have the comments here. So I'm going to make a simple modification. Let's see. What could I do? Let's go. Shoot the ball when the space. Okay, change that if I want. I can move the ball. I'm going to change this value. Right, see that? If key is down, so I can't edit it here, but I'm going to change this to a bigger number, and I'm going to see what happens. So I'm going to change that to like a 10, and change that to like a 10. Now my hypothesis is that the ball is going to move more. Let's see. Okay. Ooh, I need to put this mouse in. There you go. Click on the screen. And definitely, it's definitely moving more to the left and to the right as I do it. That's really great. Okay? So this is an example, and I challenge you to see how creative you can get and what kind of games you can build. Thanks.